Something continuing to be negotiated right now, efforts to raise the debt ceiling. The potential default date now less than 2 weeks away. According to a White House official, President Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy spoke by phone Sunday, a conversation McCarthy called, quote, productive. Some analysts say a default would likely cause a recession, a jump in unemployment, place federal and military salaries in jeopardy, and cause a stoppage of Social Security benefits. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins us, and Michelle, farmers are keeping a close eye on these negotiations.
That's true, Clinton. Farmers are concerned out in the country about a possible shutdown of the government and USDA services on June 1st. Plus, the markets are closely watching these debt limit talks because they could have a short and long-term effect on money flow in and out of the outside and commodity markets and drive recessionary fears. Farmers like Todd Hanton are finishing up planting, but have been keeping a close eye on the debt ceiling debate in D.C. with concern. They hope for resolution, otherwise it could wreak havoc on ag markets, the economy, and their bottom line.
It's very concerning to me because that's a global issue. Could impact all kinds of global commodity or global economies. So, that's a really unknown if they really push this hard, and it's just something that keeps you up at night wondering, could it actually happen and what in the heck would go on if it did.
If the government were to default, it could impair some government agencies like FSA and negatively affect farmers' ability to secure guaranteed loans. Plus, it could drive short-term ag lending rates even higher. Default by the government would also be negative for the outside markets, which could further hurt the commodities sector, although cooler heads may be prevailing.
I think, generally speaking, the stock market's telling me that they think it's going to get the situation is going to get resolved between the president and the House. And I think that's what everybody's assuming. If it doesn't, it probably will, the disagreement's probably only going to go beyond the deadline by a week or two. So I don't really see it having a big impact on commodities, or at least the commodities that we trade. Except for maybe the potential impact on the dollar.
The outside markets, including the equities, crude oil, and the dollar, have already been impacted, though, and that has spilled over into the commodities as the speculative traders have been leery to be long many ag products on economic concerns. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.